Hey, welcome back to my channel, Danielle's Creative Art. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Archer and Olive subscription box for September. And I'm very excited. I already watched this spoiler video and I absolutely love the theme. It's book themed. And so let's take a look inside of all the awesomeness. So first we have what's in the box. It's a really cute card. So the first thing is this memo pad. Probably should have opened this up ahead of time, but with the plastic over it. I think I've got scissors. Yep. Okay. Shouldn't take too long to open. Okay. Boxes are cute too. Try not to rip it. There we go. Really cute. Comes in different colors. Oh, it's just an example. Whoops. So you can put like date, author date, due date, and borrower's name. And it comes in different colors. We have white, and then we have like this cream color, cream off-white, and then we have pink. That's cute. And then the next thing is these oversized binder clips. Let me zoom in a little bit more. I love binder clips. These are neat, kind of vintage looking. Those are cool. You get two of those. The next thing I'm really excited about, because I've been wanting a date stamp for my journaling, so this would be super handy for me. Here it is, the date stamp. It also comes with a little ink pad too, which is cool. And I want to see what date was automatically on here. So it's December 6th, 2023, but looks like it goes to, I think you can put custom dates in there, I think. I'm not sure. But either way, that's really cool. It has an Archer and Olive logo on the top of it, I mean the front of it. So there's that. All right. And the next thing, I'm really excited about this. Some little notebooks, they're so cute. I love the little box that comes in too. Oh, so cool. Oh, they're adorable. Here's the first one. I love the debossed cover. There's the spine and the back. So I think this one's 192 pages of 160 GSM darker paper. And here's a little bookmark. Oops, got stuck. Here's the bookmark, comes with two. I'm not sure what I'm using it for yet, but they're adorable. And here's the second one, along again with that debossed, beautiful cover and back. Here's the side of that one, it says noted. Oh, this one's lined, and one was doctored. Super cute. And here's the bookmark with this book. It looks so cool displayed on a shelf like this. Just put in here like this. And like that. Really cool. And then next I'll show the next notebook, which is actually first the stickers. So you get book and typewriter stickers. Letters, numbers, and symbols. 4 sheets. They're matte finish. Cool. I love that typewriter font. Very cool. Let's save this for last. Then we have a set of calligraph pens. I love calligraphs. I love to do brush lettering. Inspired by Amy Tangerine, as always. She's amazing. Oh, shoot. Okay. Well, these are beautiful colors. They're kind of like fall colors too. This is really pretty. So I'll show you the tips of some of them. So we have this brown color. Here's the thicker brush tip. And there's the thinner tip. So you get like blue, kind of looks like golden yellow, more of an orangey color, and a light brown. Love those. And then my favorite is washi tape. Again, these are book themed. I don't really read often, but I do love to read. And I do recommend a book by Michael Longear called Never Accept Your New Normal. He's an amazing doctor, and you should definitely check out his book. And it's very inspiring. So the first washi we have is this star washi, so you could rate your books. Those are cute. Gold stars. And then we have, this is amazing, this washi tape. It's like postage stamp style. I'm trying to find where it starts so I can show it to you. Here it is, I think. Wait. Oh, there we go. I had a little protective thing on it. That's why I wasn't seeing it. Okay. Oh, those are so cool. Book review, currently reading from the Library of, and it just comes in different colors. That's so cool. And it's already like perforated, so you can just tear it off. The next washi is these books stacked on a shelf. So cute. And the last washi is, let's see. Oops. This really cute pattern. Let's see. I love that. Looks like you can write on the, I'm not sure if you can write on that little label or not, because it may smear, but depending on what kind of marker you use. Washi is like my favorite stationery accessory ever. So, I love that. Put off to the side. And then last but not least, we have an A5 notebook. Let's put this box. Okay. Put that right there. I probably should have taken the plastic off ahead of time, but oh well. I love the boxes for this sub box. They're so cool. Actually, all the boxes that they've been putting together are awesome. So this box has like a magnetic closure. Ooh, cool. I love it. It's even prettier in person. Oh my gosh. Oh, here's the spine of the box too. It's really cute. This is 192 pages of doctored paper. And then here's the bookmark. Oops. So you get 2 bookmarks in this one also. And then you have a little pocket in the back for stickers and stuff. There's the back of the book, really pretty. And I'm probably gonna use it as a reading journal because obviously it's probably what it's meant for. So here's the spine of this book. And I think that's everything in the Archer and Olive subscription box. Oh, and also I'm an affiliate with Archer and Olive, so I'll put my link in the description. And you can use my code on other items, but except for the box, it's DanielleFL10 for 10% off. And my link and code is used. I'll earn a small commission. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay.